Hello children, welcome you in chemistry class. Children, today I am going to teach you gas and properties of gas. Children, you have studied the states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Among these, you have to study in detail about the gas. So, you have to study the properties of gas, but before that, you see what is gas. The state of matter in which interparticle attraction is weak. Interparticle attraction or force of attraction between the molecule. Force of attraction between molecule is weak. And large space is in between the molecules. It means there is large intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. Is large. And molecules are free to move randomly in the entire available space. That is called gas. So once more children, what is gas? Gas is the state of matter in which force of attraction between the molecule is very weak, but intermolecular space is large. Molecules are free to move randomly in the entire available space is known as gas. Now you have to see what are the properties of gas. Properties of gas. So, gas has no definite shape. First property is gas has no definite shape and volume. So, what is the reason gas has no definite shape and no definite volume? Its reason is force of attraction between the molecule of gas is very weak. Molecules are in continuous state of motion. They are moving randomly in the entire available space. Their movement is only restricted by the container in which gas is taken. So gas has taken the container, so only wall of the container, this wall of the container restrict the movement. Second properties of the gas is gases are highly compressible. So highly compressible. So why the gases are highly compressible? Volume of the particles of the gas is negligible in comparison to the intermolecular distance. Therefore, gas can be compressed and after compressing can be brought closer to each other. So when we compress the gas, molecules are coming closer to each other. Third property is gas exerts pressure in all directions. Gas exerts pressure in all directions. If you are taking the solid and liquid, they are exerting pressure only in the downward direction. Their pressure is only downward. But pressure of the gas is in all directions. So what is the reason why the pressure of gas is in all directions? So its reason is molecules of gas are moving with high velocity. Molecules are moving with high velocity. So when the molecules of gas are moving with high velocity, they apply the pressure on the wall. They strike to the wall, and after striking, they are applying the pressure. Therefore, we can say gas exerts equal and uniform pressure on the wall of the container. Now next is density of the gas. Density. Of gas. So density of gas is low. Lower density. In comparison to the solid and liquid. So why density is low? Intermolecular distance between the molecules of gas is very large. Therefore, number of molecules per unit volume of gas is much lower in comparison to the solid and liquid. Due to this reason, the density of the gas is very low. Next is diffusibility. Diffusibility and miscibility. So gases are highly diffusible. When two gases are kept in the contact, then after some time they mix together and form a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means uniform mixture. So why gases are highly diffusible and they are forming homogeneous mixture? Its reason is the space between the molecule of gas is very large. Intermolecular distance between the gas is large. Force of attraction is negligible. Therefore, the tendency of the molecule of gas is to mix together, and their speed of movement of gas depend on mass of the gas, temperature of the gas. So the gas which is lighter, their speed of movement is high. They are more diffusible. And gas which are heavier, their rate of diffusion is low because their speed is low. Now temperature, on increasing the temperature, also gas move fast and they are going to diffuse. So children, I explained the behavior and characteristics properties of gases.